Hey everyone, welcome back. Today I'm in a 2021 Toyota Supra 3.0 A91 edition, and I'm going to show you how to use launch control. So the first thing you're going to want to do while you're in drive is push the sport mode button here. And then you're going to want to push the traction control off button just one time. And what that's going to do is it's going to put it into active traction control mode. You can see there it says activated. And then what you're going to want to do is put your left foot on the brake and then floor the gas pedal with your right foot. And then when you're ready, you let go of the brake.